Welcome back, guys. We got another unboxing today from Black Widow Motorsports. I'm pretty sure they're like a detailing company, like they specialize in making detail products. I think they actually might have their own detailing company, or maybe that's a different company. There's a company, Black Widow Detailing, on YouTube. I thought it was them. I don't know. They'll have to fill me in if they watch the video if that's you guys. So I took the shipping label off because the whole world don't need to know my address. So that's why the box looks the way it does, because I ripped the shipping label off. I do that on all my stuff I show you guys. Not saying you guys, but the haters or some Karen will type in my address and then come here. And eventually I want you guys to meet up with me and stuff, but I don't really know you guys. You follow me, but we both could go out in public and I couldn't even tell you who you were. So. I sent us some products. Okay, that's just the invoice or the order info. Whoa! Okay, the first one is silk soap. Does it smell good? I don't know. Then we got this one, which has hazardous stuff. UV block. I'm pretty sure that's what I want to try on the ATV plastics. Got a sticker. We like our stickers. I don't know why I'm so satisfied with stickers, but I don't know why. Then we got nozzles for all of them. We got another sticker. Then we got Venom RVP. Then we got Venom APC. Rubber and vinyl plastic conditioner. Okay, we'll first try those two out and see how it goes. But that's what our friends over at Black Widow Motorsports sent us, and we're going to review these for them and test them out. This is an unboxing of it. We have a couple more companies we're going to be sending me stuff, because that's a great part about being a YouTuber. You can review stuff for companies and help them out, and they help you out, and everyone's happy campers. So we're going to go find a spot on my toolbox. Right there. Okay, I got my toolbox. I think I need to repaint my whole toolbox. I probably will. The paint's coming off of it. But we got a fuel pump that we did a review on. Gonna set up. Just like that. So, trying to determine. I think we test them out. Yeah, let's go test them out. I think I did that on another video. I did an unboxing and open it up. Well, that almost smells like childhood memories. I don't know why. No, like those cookies, you know? I think it's Dutch cookies. But, you know, we're going to try it right here and see what happens. Now, I don't think this is... It's conditioner, so I don't think... I think it's just to keep your plastics in, like, shiny, maybe? I don't know. We gotta figure it out and see what happens with them. Does seem a lot shiny. Of course, I got no paper towels on here. I have an attic above me, if you guys didn't know that. Or a loft, which I keep most of my big towels and spare supplies. But I'm just gonna use them. Just put kind of phone up there and see how we do. I mean, yeah, now I can see in the how the sun reflects on that. Yeah, I see what that stuff is. So, basically what it is. Rubber and vinyl plastic conditioner. Now, we're going to try another one. Heavy duty all-purpose cleaner. That smells straight up like glass cleaner, to be honest. Okay, we're going to move the fender, which, for those who don't know, this is the Honda Odyssey 250, and we are doing some gas tank repair on it because the gas tank's rusted out pretty bad. And then we did some brake work on it. And this is right there. So, I'm pretty sure this is like stuff you put on after you wash a vehicle and stuff. As far as I know, that's what it looks like. But I thought I would test it out, even knowing the vehicle's completely covered in dirt, dust, grime, grease, everything. I like the way that fender turned out. And if you see that part, I did wash that Honda part down there. It's really nice and shiny now. So it works. I'm impressed because it sounded like stuff's for cars and stuff, but it works on Honda Odyssey, which is an ATV. I know I would think it's considered a go-kart, but Honda considers it an ATV, so I don't know. But please subscribe, like, comment. I'll put a link in the description to Black Widow Motorsports website, and feel free to tell them N.R.T sent you, and Catch you on the next one.